กุมชิบันดาบันไอมันเสียมยากิซัมลากิบรันซับหากิจิงเละกายบ่เพรบัดกิบละบันยอตักมานากิลุมปงเละกาย National Games บัดกิลุมปงกิบเฮชบารีหากอาร์พอนเรตรกรัมพังอาร์จาอาร์พุสันกะจิงยาลังกะกันฮอนเมนทรีกะ Sorkar MDA2 กะบละเคลีดัก National People's Party NPP กะละไรบันไอคัม Sorkar ยากิน้องจอบกิบละยอKhur Takmaเสียตักมารน้องบัดรูปานากิเตกิลุมปงจิงยากอมyakani la pentip do menteri rangba ka jelau Conrad ke Sangma ha ka baula ong bakani ka rai ka long kum kawai na ki lat ban ai jing rap bat ai man sem ru ya ki samla ki bala wan ra ya ka nam ka buram jong ka jella habakran sigilat pathai ko bor o menteri rangba ulo ong ru baka Sorkar kan sepet ngor ru ya ki kam ki be dei kat kum ka kerdan ki ba yo ra takma namar yo le se kim paddan ya ka kerdan ka babyang kat kum ka jingdan kam ha ka kam bakin trai.
We have recently won 5 medals in the national games. And also, you're aware that in 2027, Meghalaya is going to be hosting the national games. So in order to prepare for that and also in order to motivate our youngsters and especially our sports person and athletes, so the government today in the cabinet has approved the Meghalaya Outstanding Sports Persons Direct Appointment Policy 2025, which basically means that all athletes that get a medal for the state in the Olympics, Paralympics / Special Olympics, 2 Asian Games or Asian Para Games, 3 Commonwealth or Commonwealth Para Games, 4 South Asian Games and 5 National Games. So in these games, specifically these games only, whenever they get a medal, the government is going to provide a government job to them depending on the medal that they receive. So if it's an Olympic medal, then it's going to be a category A, and the classifications are there, which I don't want to give the details, but we have got a full chart for it, that who and what jobs they will be eligible for. And the government, as I said, has decided today that once somebody wins a medal for the state in these specific games only, we will be providing them with a government job. So this particular decision was taken today in the cabinet, and I'm sure it will go a long way in motivating our athletes to do better and perform better in the coming national games being hosted here in Meghalaya.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat la ne ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pindon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.